Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I will guide you how to sign up a web hosting account. I will take one of the service provider named BlueHost and explain to you how can we easily sign up a web hosting account at BlueHost. So when you go to bluehost.com, you will see they offer several type of web hosting plan. So from here we can see this is the normal share hosting web hosting plan, and also we can see they have offered another plan specifically just for WordPress. I would say both is approximate the same, just that this plan with made for WordPress, they will specifically have several additional add-on, plugin, and some WordPress site builder prepare for you. And in our following chapters, we will talk more about WordPress. So I will take this example to start creating an account using this plan. Just hit on this button, you will reach this page and you can choose the most basic plan. And in this section, let's say if you still don't have a domain name, you can search for a domain name over here. For example, I would like my domain to be Calvin 2022 and I just hit next. It will show me that the domain name is available, and what you need to do next is you may log in with your Google account or fill up all the necessary information over here and create an account. After that, on this section, we may just choose the 1 year plan. It only costs 35.40 cent USD because it's about 2.95 per month for 12 months. And in this plan, they provide you a domain name registration. They also provide you the Let's Encrypt SSL. We will talk more on Let's Encrypt SSL in the following chapter. Scroll down a little bit, you will see some additional package extra, and it depends whether do you need or you don't need. So for this domain privacy, it will cost you 99 cents per month. But let's say if you don't want, you may just untick it and it will ask you, are you sure you don't want? Yes, I don't mind. I turn it off. I will talk more about the domain name privacy later on in the following chapter as well. And for all these additionals, I don't want it. I just require to untick it, and the total only 35 and 40 cent. So what you can do next is just put in your credit card, your CVV, and also fill up the expire date of your credit card. And after you done, just agree and just submit. So this is the first way if you still don't have a domain name. So back to the previous page, let's say if you already have a domain, like in my previous video, I guide you how to register a domain name at Namecheap. If you already have a domain, just require to fill in your domain over here and click the next button. Similar step like just now, you may log in through your Google account or you may fill up all the details information from here. So from here, they will also tell you that the hosting price is how much, 35.40 cent, because it's 2.95 per month. And Let's Encrypt SSL is free, and all this package extra, if you don't want, you may just untick it. So the total price will be 35.40 cent. And the similar step, just put in your credit card, CVV number, expire date, and just agree the term and condition and also the privacy notice and hit the submit button. After successfully purchase the web hosting account, you will receive an email for your cPanel login information. If you choose the second one, then you will require to go to your domain name and change the DNS record. If you recall in the previous video, when I talk about the domain name DNS section, as I mentioned to you, I already have the domain name server and I already fill up over there. If you can't recall, let me recap a little bit for you. What we need to do is click the custom name server and put in the name server 1 and name server 2. Time after you registered a web hosting account, each web hosting account will give you the name server 1 and name server 2, just require to put in over here. I will guide you through more details during the sign up a web hosting video. So at this moment, I already have my web hosting name server. Let me fill it up. Once you fill in your web hosting name server, what you need to do is click on the save button. Well, this is approximate the information you will get after you sign up your web hosting, and refer to this name server 1 and name server 2. Just copy these two and put in to the name server section at the name chip by referring with the previous video I show you just now. So let's say if you use the first method, meaning that you did not register a domain at name chip, you may follow the first method, register a domain name with BlueHost, then the domain name server, you no need to worry about it. So BlueHost will automatically put the right name server into the domain name section. So in this video, since I already registered a domain name at Namecheap earlier, so I will make use of this section. So right now, what you can do is proceed to register an account at BlueHost, and I will see you in the next video.